Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. At the moment I'm here at the sports center. I want to go for a swim. But there are so many people actually. So many. I think they are mostly, looks like they are a group, like a family. Lots of kids also. I'm not going. Still a lot of, I see people that is going to the swimming pool. I actually want to try this watch, if it is really waterproof. At work I am using this while working. So sometimes I'm washing something and it's getting wet, but not totally deep in the water. So if I swim, it's going to be really deep in the water. And actually, even here at the court, also lots of people. Today is holiday, Monday, part of the long weekend. The weather is actually really nice. It's hot if you are under the sun, but in a shaded area like this, it's just good. Some people over there, kind of picnicking. But actually, there's no one here at the playground. It's empty. But if you see over there at the Tubugan Hill Park, lots of people. They are tourists. So I'm not going to swim and I'm not going to run. Now I'm just going to look for a place to stay and we'll be just editing a video. It is now 3:05 and we are now here at the Super Cheap. Super Cheap Auto and BCF. Actually I come here because there's a couple that I am going to meet. I met the guy before when I was at the gym. He saw me and we had a chat. They have a camper van also, but their camper van is the big one. Always mention in the vlog that I also wanted to have that kind of camper van, the big one. And I think today I am going to experience it. If I'm not mistaken, this is the one. Mercedes-Benz camper van. This one is big and it's good, looks good. I'm very excited to experience how it is inside of this camper van. Very nice. I will find them here inside. Is your van?
Come and have a look. I don't know if I want to be on there.
Can I go inside? I want to stand up there.
I'll move it over there.
Okay. You open this door. This one is also going to open. Okay, and we are here now in this amazing, this looks like a real house. They have the bed here. They have television here. Looks like a professionally made. I mean, it looks like it was done in the factory. Look at this. It's professionally made. And the CCTV is actually on both sides. And for sure there's also at the back. Amazing! Rick and Natty's car, it really looks good inside. The way they made it, actually they made it by themselves. Actually really also wanted to have something like that. Not too big like that, but maybe the same length of this, but higher, taller, so that I can stand inside. Okay, that's it. I'm hungry now. We're going to eat in the restaurant today. Today I worked from 6 o'clock and I finished 2 o'clock. And it was a very busy day because we did 190. We did 190 today. Breakfast. And then during the lunch was also very busy. And a while ago when I was in the swimming pool, I actually ate pancake. This place also has a lot of pelican. Basically, this is where the people cut the fish, wash the fish, and then these pelicans, they are taking all the scraps. And there are many people, they are fishing. Some of them, they are coming from the boat. Yeah, we're going to wait until the sunset. Let's check if we can eat. There's restaurant over that side. Yeah, this actually, what's that? Yeah, I just checked my watch and it reminds me that I forgot something in my van. Here in Soldiers Point, there is another marina. You can see that one. There is actually 3 marinas here in the Bay Area of Port Stephen. This is the first one, this Soldiers Point Marina. And then there is another marina in Corlett. And then there's another one, yeah, the Albura Marina, the one in the town center of Nelson Bay. There is a nice restaurant there, but yeah, the food are on the expensive side. They are serving the food that is similar to those fine dining casual restaurant. Yeah, like a pasta, lobster. Those are expensive. I know there is a convenience stores, but I am not sure if they are open. And like this one, this is a cafe, but closed. This one is a store, but closed. Yeah, 1 hour to go for the sunset. I can actually see here the timing. So basically the sunrise was at 6:21 this morning, and the sunset will be later at 6:57. The time now is 6:06. So I still have almost 1 hour. And you know, some of these houses, these beautiful houses, yeah, some of these are for rent. I mean, for holiday. If I'm not mistaken, one of the website where you're going to, where you can book it is Winning Holidays. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, there is a jetty and there's actually some people here, they are fishing. Yeah, they looks like a family, you know. I don't know the difference between this marina, I mean this berth compared to the berth on the other side. Is that pronounced berth, 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 or berth? Maybe that one is more expensive, and this one is now I understand. These are fishing boat. Oh, the same. Some of those are also fishing boat. That guy is going for paddle boarding. Yeah, that paddle board is air inside. What's that? Inflatable. The rays of the sun is not harsh this time. Yeah, what I can feel is the wind breeze. It's amazing. Lots of people, they are going to the end of the GT. Oh, I just received a message from Stanley. Yeah, he said he is asking where I am because he's going to give me a food. Yeah, and I said I am here at Soldiers Point, and I also sent the picture of the place. Lots of people over there, and the sun is setting already over that side. Yeah, the color is already changing too. Beautiful. The sun is gone. So I was just coming from my van. I was waiting for Stanley, but yeah, they are actually over the other side. Maybe they don't see this, or yeah, there is easy parking over that side. Yeah, the color of the sky changed like that. Beautiful. And there's no so much restaurant in this area. If I'm not mistaken, only this one, the Soldiers Point Marina. Yeah, that's I think just that's the only restaurant. The other is on the other side, but a little bit far. Bannister Hotel. Yeah, there are restaurant there. Bowling club also with restaurant.
Ayan o.
Hello!
Hindi ko lang sasabihin. Salamat. Salamat.
Okay, good night.
Ala, andun na si Sam.
The color now is more orange. Beautiful. And it is what they gave me. It's a carbonara and bread. This is probably the reason why I did not found any restaurant that I like to eat. Yeah. Thank you. And you know, I am really happy with this camera. Yeah, it's good. It's already dark here, but the camera is still recording very nice. I'm very excited to eat this. Yeah, looks good and looks delicious. Yeah, just going to microwave it first. And also this, yeah, this bread. There's some ricotta and spinach inside.